Hi, it's Miss Diana from NACOG Head Start, and it's time for our morning greeting. So first we're going to sing Good Morning Head Start Friends. Good morning Head Start friends, how are you? Good morning Head Start friends, how are you? It's time to start our day. We're here to work and play. Good morning Head Start friends, how are you? How are you? If there is anyone that you want to wish well, think of them. Put all your warm thoughts for them and warm hugs in your heart. Take a deep breath with me and wish them well. Today, we are going to have some fun with magnets. This says magnet, and right here, it's some of the same letters, but then it's got a couple more right here. This word is magnetic. Can you say magnetic? Magnets attract or pull things towards them. Here's the word attract. Here's a couple of magnets and it's going to attract it. See, it pulled it up. But sometimes if you turn them around, magnets can also repel things. That is push it away. So I'm going to take this magnet and I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to take this one and let's see, is it going to attract or and pull it, or is it going to repel and push it? It's pushing it, it's repelling it. If I turn it around, it should attract it or pull it. Yep, it pulled it. I'm going to show you a couple of things, and we're going to try and guess or predict if they are magnetic or not magnetic. Magnetic means it has the power to attract it, to pull it, okay? So first I have a couple of lids. So here's this lid, and I'm going to set them on here, and I have this lid. This one is made with a kind of plastic, and this one is made with a kind of metal. So I'm going to get my magnet, and let's see. That's magnetic. Whoop. Now let's try the other one. Do you predict that that one is magnetic or not magnetic? It's not magnetic. It's not pulling it. It's not attracting it. Okay, so I'm going to put that away. I'm going to take our magnetic lid and I'm going to put it over here. What about, I have two buckets here. Predict they're magnetic or not magnetic. Which one should I try first? This one? Nothing's happening. It must not be magnetic. What about this one? Oh, did you see that jump up? It's fun to make it jump. Here we go. Woo! Even the little handle had enough to jump. Here's something else that you might have around, might have seen. This is a planter, and this is a can of soup. Here we go. Oh, it's too heavy to pick it up, but it does stick to it. So that's magnetic. Now let's see about this. It's not magnetic. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that one. What about this? Do you think it's magnetic or not magnetic? Magnetic. What about the handle? Do you think the handle is magnetic or not magnetic? Not magnetic. But since this part is magnetic, I'm going to keep it up here. What about scissors? It's not magnetic there. Do you think it's magnetic up here? Let's try it. Magnetic. Why do you think this part is magnetic and this part isn't? They're made of different materials. This is made of metal and this is made of plastic. And on this, you're right. This part is metal and this part, that part's plastic, that part's wood. Maybe we should try the wood. It doesn't stick to the wood. It doesn't stick to the plastic. only to the metal. Might do the alphabet so you can have fun, you can play, and it's work because you're learning too. You're learning the letters of the alphabet. Or these are called magnetiles, and they're one of my favorite toys to play with at school because they have little magnets in them so they can stick together on that. So I even have these little cars that it can go on. I need a square, and I'm going to put that one there, and I'm going to build it a little higher. And there's different shapes too with the magnetiles. You can have fun with different shapes, triangles and squares. Now, I have a discovery bottle with magnetic objects inside. Do you see those different things inside? And you could make one with water, or this one has baby oil in it. And that way the metal things, because metal is attracted to magnets, the metal things won't rust in the baby oil, and they would rust in water. So I'm going to get my magnet. Here's another shaped magnet, and we're going to see if I can make these things move. Oh, I got one. You ready? I'm going to let it go. Whoop. I'm going to use my other magnet now. Okay. Oh, look at that. I've got a bunch of them. Up it goes. And if I want to let it go, I got to pull the magnet away. You ready? I could even turn it this way and take them from the bottom and bring them up to the top. Like that. And then let them go. So here I have my magnetic train, and they're all connected. So this, by me moving this, I can pull all the cars. But let's see, are we on the positive or negative side? We're going to see if it pushes it, if it repels it, it's on the negative side. If it attracts it or pulls it, it's on the positive side. Here we go. It pushed it, it repelled it. Now I'm going to turn it around, and let's see, it should attract it this time. You ready? Ah, did you see it? It attracted it, pulled it this way. So it's fun to experiment and see if things repel or attract. Where I lived, there was what we called magnet dirt. And that's what I have in here. So it looks like just dirt, doesn't it? But if I take a magnet and I stick it in, it's collecting all the iron filings that are attracted to magnets, and it makes it look fuzzy. And then I'm going to take them off of the magnet. And I can even, there's another way I can sort out, because there's still dirt, so I can get my other magnet and put it underneath, and I can move the iron filings up here. Move them up. So just like I can move these iron filings with the magnet underneath, there are games you can buy that have those same iron filings in them, like this. The iron filings are inside, and on this, there is a magnet on the tip. So when I touch it, it pulls the iron filings up. And that's how you can draw, because it's pulling the iron filings up to this plastic screen. I could use a magnet to move another magnet. So I'm going to get one of my magnets here, set it there, and then I've got my other magnet. I'm going to go underneath. I can move it all around. It looks like a magic trick. I hope you had fun playing with magnets today, but you need to be careful with magnets. So always ask a grown-up before you play with them, and then only use your hands to be safe. To be helpful, Make sure you put the magnets away and any small objects away when you're done. So put them away to be helpful, and then to be kind, share your discoveries. Be safe, be helpful, and be kind. Bye.